Hello, my name is Stephanie Robbins and I am the president and CEO of Robbins Plumbing here in Phoenix, Arizona. But today's tip is not just based on Phoenix. This is based on everyone who has a toilet, which I'm betting is you. There are a lot of DIY ideas out there spreading amongst the universe from social media, and well, some of them just frankly are full of If you are trying to save water, if you are trying to make your toilet smell better, be cleaner, these are a lot of the things that I see on social media, and I am literally mind blown. Here's what I can tell you. That influencer is not going to pay your plumbing bill when their idea did not work out well. So some of the things, fun things we've seen just recently that are, hey, I'm gonna save water. Okay, let's be real. A modern toilet only has 1.6 gallons to flush. So you're probably not going to save a ton of water by trying to make modifications to your toilet. 1.6 gallons. You can get 1.2 gallons. You can get 0.9 gallons. But as soon as you are sitting there trying to engineer a toilet to do something it's not meant to do, you are costing yourself money in the process of trying to save yourself money. So the 0.04 cents of water that you just saved, or hey, maybe you're green and you want to save the planet. The 0.04 gallons of water you just saved cost you 2 flushes. So some of the ideas that we've seen, putting a brick in the tank of your toilet to save water because it displaces water. Soda cans, all kinds of crazy things that displace water. So here's the deal. Your toilet was designed and tested and tested and tested and tested to flush optimally based on the amount of water that's in that tank. The second you took any of that water away, you ruined the flush of that toilet. So now in the process of trying to save water and or money, you had to flush it twice, and that's not the goal. You should never put any foreign objects in the back of your toilet. Which leads me to, you should not be putting foreign objects in the bowl of your toilet. I almost hyperventilated seeing on Pinterest, okay, I admit it, I am a Pinterest addict. I saw a blogger's video posted and how to keep your bathroom smelling fresh. And it was a Caress soap bar in the bowl of the toilet. This is why I'm glad things like this aren't filmed, because I was swearing at my phone a lot. No. And then I read through the comments. I had to call a plumber. 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 No. Do not put foreign objects in the bowl of your toilet. So when you put soap, a bar of soap in the bowl of your toilet, guess what's going to happen? It's going to go in the trapway of your toilet. It's going to create a stoppage. It's not even going to smell that great. Get some poopery, get a, whatever those things are you light up at the end, like something else, anything else. Don't mess with your toilet. It is perfectly designed. Oh, the other thing I see, to make it smell good, I'm gonna put fabric softener in the tank of my toilet. No, 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 no. Okay, so now you just introduced a chemical that softens to the tank that's full of plumbing components filled with rubber, which you just softened, and now they can't perform. Like, just for the love of all that is holy in the plumbing profession, stop messing with your toilet. Here's a fun fact. Anything that you put in the tank of your toilet voids the warranty. The end. So if you're putting fabric softener, I saw one that was Fabuloso. If you're putting any kind of chemicals, softeners, soaps, anything in the tank of your toilet, you're avoiding the warranty with the manufacturer. No, don't put things in the bowl of your toilet. So you're at a risk as much as I'm like, hey, pro, clean toilet. They have the hanging things, right, for the bowl of your toilet that with every flush, again, you're at a risk. If that disc, that cleaning disc comes out of there, it can create a stoppage. It will eventually dissolve. We can clear that stoppage, but that is a thing. The other thing that we see fairly consistency is a misunderstanding of disposable cleaning products for your toilet. I have a Clorox wand and it has the end that comes off. Well, we've had, probably 1,000 clients this year think that disposable means flushable. No, no, no. That disposable end, and you get the convenience of not having a nasty toilet brush. Insanely great idea, but it should have like a huge warning label on the wand itself. Don't flush, don't flush. Because that's what most people end up thinking. Oh, and they just unclick it, or it mistakenly comes off while they're scrubbing their toilet, and now it's down the drain. First impulse, oh, let me flush that away. No, 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 don't flush it away. So those are the kinds of things. So pro tips, if you want to keep your toilet clean and you want it to last a really, really long time, water quality is everything. It's absolutely everything. So if you have hard water, which if you're in Arizona, you have hard water. There, I said it, it's true, no one can argue with me. Arizona is one of the states with the highest hard water content. But we can overcome this. You can get a softening system on your home that eliminates hard water, everything in your home. If you don't have that, then a great solution that won't void your warranty is a vinegar solution in your tank. And we have that on the blog, best ways to use that. But vinegar, like cleaning your coffee pot. If you're a canner, you know that white rim from minerals in your water can be diffused with vinegar. Vinegar is perfectly safe. It's not going to harm your plumbing, but you don't want to put vinegar in your toilet tank every single day. The other thing that you should not DIY do with your toilet, if you are having stoppages, you should not be plunging your toilet. You may get away with it once, you may get away with it twice, you may get away with it a third time, but plunging your toilet is a sign that something's wrong. It is a symptom. You cannot solve a symptom with a Band-Aid. What ultimately ends up happening is that then you need surgery. So as you're plunging that toilet, you're putting pressure and seals let go. There is a seal between your toilet and the floor, and it's commonly known in the plumbing profession as a wax ring. You don't want to break that seal because then, well, you have all of that fun stuff all over your floor. The next time that you have a stoppage with your home, it's going to hit the lowest point of your home. So it's going to, again, come out from underneath that toilet. So plunging is not something that's a solution. It's a Band-Aid. So if you are plunging your toilet consistently, if you're plunging your toilet more than once or twice a year, there's probably a problem that needs to be addressed. And that could be that your toilet's old, it's had its day, or you stuck softener in the tank. I don't know what to tell you other than, well, things need to be fixed now. Sometimes the best option is a new toilet. If you have questions about your toilet, DIY, all of those things, hey, it's not flushing regularly, it's rising to the top, and then it takes a long time to go down, that kind of thing. Your throne's important to your home. Trust me, it's important to my husband. It's where he spends all of his Facebook time, and he's gonna kill me when he sees that I put that. But here it is. You can definitely reach out to our team. We understand how important that room is, and without judgment, go ahead and go through your options and how to make it the best that it can be. As my husband always puts, it's a relationship with your toilet for 20 years. You should like it. It should not be something that frustrates you. You can definitely reach out to our office at 623-486-4657. You can reach us on our website at robinsplumbing.com, and there's even a little chat box there at the bottom if you want to talk to one of our office through the website. I hope this was helpful.